Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I make my low-calorie iced coffee at home, then keep watching. Okay, so for my cold brew coffee, I have this dark roast cold brew coffee that I got from Superstore. I have some 1% milk, and I have some sugar-free hazelnut syrup. So this is the way I do it. So first thing I do is I take the cold brew and I take a tall glass and I fill it up with ice and I take my cold brew. I love this one, by the way. I've tried so many different ones, but this one has a really nice dark roast taste to it, whereas I find a lot of the other ones, they taste a little bit watered down. So this one is really good if you like nice strong coffee. And then I take my milk and pour a little bit, just a splash, maybe a little bit more. I'm sorry guys, but I can't stand almond milk in my coffee. I like cooking with it and whatnot, but I hate almond milk in my coffee. I find it tastes so disgusting. I really can't stand it. So I like to use a tiny bit of milk and then my sugar-free syrup, and then I take my straw and I just mix it. Of course, we have our metal straw here. Okay. Okay, now that my coffee is done and ready to go, let's try it. Cheers. Thanks for watching today's video. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys like to see, and let me know if you also made this recipe and what you think about it. I guess the hazelnut syrup does have a little bit of an acquired taste, but I like it, and I also like the fact that it's guilt-free.